Hello everyone, I am Rinku, working as an assistant professor in Department of Management in RPIT Technical and Medical Campus. Today we are discuss about the topic that is Entrepreneurship Development Program, EDP. EDP stand of the Entrepreneurship Development Program. An entrepreneur is a creator or a designer who design new ideas and business process according to the market requirement, and it's his own passion. Entrepreneurship development in concrete more of the growth potential and innovation. Entrepreneurship development as gaining increased significant of the developing an economy. It is an organized and systematic development, is a tool of industrialization and a solution to unemployment problem of any country. Entrepreneurship development may be defining as the acquiring skills and capability necessary for playing the entrepreneur role effectively and efficiently. Entrepreneurship development is the process to improving skills knowledge of entrepreneur through the various training and classroom program. Entrepreneurship development is concerned with the study of entrepreneurial behavior and the dynamic and business startup development and expansion of the enterprise. EDP is an effective way to develop entrepreneur which can help to accumulate of the pace of the social economical development, balance regional growth and exploration of the locality available resource. It is can care all consistent and therefore provide of the one of the most effective tools of developing new entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship development program is a way to achieve a off-site goal. Entrepreneurship a plan program developed to identify, inculcate and calculative develop and the polish of the capability and skills of the precising of a person become as a entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship development program various different objective. Entrepreneurship development program of the course of content and curriculum of the EDP is the following objective. First one is the develop and strength of the entrepreneur quality, motivation or need achievement, means general approaches of the entrepreneurship. The participants should be given explore about the conceptual framework of the entrepreneurship role, expansion, entrepreneur environment, etc. in innovative behavior related to the issue should focus of the aligned of the entrepreneur about their future challenge and the prospect. Second, analyzes the environment related to small scale industries business like development manager skills, training project, formulated of the project. Training project input are required to help of the potential entrepreneur to develop their project idea into the bankable project. They should to given the acquisition and the industry opportunity in the area and also necessary guidance of the project selection, necessary knowledge about the project like visibility and the implementation should be also given of the potential entrepreneurship. Understood the process and proceeding setting of a small enterprise. Now an influence of the source help of the supporting need to launching entrepreneurship, acquiring the business management skills, डेवलप मैनेजमेंट स्किल्स कि हमारे एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप डेवलपमेंट का मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या था, डेवलपिंग मैनेजमेंट स्किल्स. प्रोस्पेक्टिव एंटरप्रेन्योर शुड टू गिव एक्सप्लोर एंड एक्सपोजर ऑफ द डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ मैनेजमेंट प्रोग्राम. इट वुड sharpen of the management skills. The management program take different form of the management pattern and the particularly of the situation. So training and exposing of the manager skill will be arranged in keeping the situational requirement. Whatever the manager expect of this should be include production planning, labor laws, cost analysis, finance accounting, selling arrangement, taxation law and etc. Now the positive and negative being of the as an entrepreneur to prepare him and equating total unforeseen risks and business such as a training like motivation training input are meant are for developing of the motivation of the potential entrepreneur. There are the enterprise building skills beside motivational input also including the psychological game, test, goal setting and exercise role of play. कि बेसिकली अगर हम बात करें एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप डेवलपमेंट के ऑब्जेक्टिव की तो हम इसको डिफरेंट कैटेगराइज के अंदर हम उसको सेग्रीगेट कर सकते हैं. जैसे मैंने अभी आपको बताया है इस वीडियो के थ्रू कि जनरल अप्रोच ऑफ एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप के अंदर कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं, जिसके अंदर हम टेक्निकल रिस्क है, इकोनॉमिकल रिस्क है, सोशल रिस्क है, इन्वायरमेंटल रिस्क है, उनको डिस्क्राइब करते हैं. मोटिवेशन ट्रेनिंग्स के अंदर कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं. डेवलप मैनेजमेंट की डेवलपिंग मैनेजमेंट स्किल्स के अकॉर्डिंग हमारा मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव होता है एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप का. इसके लिए ट्रेनिंग जो प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजमेंट है उनको ट्रेनिंग प्रोवाइड कराने के लिए ठीक है। इसके अंदर हमारा आता है स्ट्रक्चरल अरेंजमेंट करने के लिए, सपोर्टिव सिस्टम बनाने के लिए, फैक्ट्री विजिट इन प्लांट ट्रेनिंग इनको प्रोवाइड कराने के लिए। दीज आर द डिफरेंट ऑब्जेक्टिव्स ऑफ EDP। ओके क्लास।